A very impressive experiment was done by an American university. They got dozen monkeys and they had them in a cage. And in this cage, on one corner of the cage, they had a ladder and they had bananas tied on top. Naturally, monkeys wanted to go and get it, so the first monkey started climbing the stairs. Immediately, cold, icy water was sprayed on this monkey, and not on this monkey alone, but on the rest of the other 11 monkeys also. So this monkey quickly retreated, came down, and they were shivering. And after some time, a second monkey dared that, okay, let me go for it, went for the bananas, and it was also got the same treatment. It was showered with icy cold water, sprayed, everybody was sprayed, and the third monkey happened the same, fourth, fifth, and after some about 6 or 7 monkeys, all the monkeys had learned the lesson that if you attempt going for the bananas, you are going to have a terrifying experience. And now the experiment didn't stop there. This is where it became very interesting. The experimenters, what they did was, now they would take out a monkey from this particular environment, and they will add a fresh monkey to this particular surrounding, this particular environment. Now what exactly happened? The fresh monkey had no clue what was happening. So what did it do? It started climbing, and immediately rest of the other monkeys caught him, so held him down, and in fact beat him black and blue. So this monkey had no clue what happened and was going for this particular bananas and got beaten up very badly. So the experimenters didn't stop there. They sent in another fresh monkey, pulled out another old monkey out. The fresh monkey again attempted, was again beaten up by rest of the other monkeys, and this kept on going. Finally, after a little while, there were no old monkeys were inside who were actually sprayed with water, and all fresh set of monkeys were there. And strangely, ironically, none of these monkeys knew why were they beaten up and why were they beating each other up. They had no clue why was this happening, but it had become a kind of a behavior, a habit for them that this was happening. But now, there's a very important lesson that we can learn from this particular experiment, a very important psychological lesson that we all can derive from this particular thing. Now, as we all know, beliefs are found by the 3 E's. The first one is education, the second one is experience, and the third one is our environment. Now, the environment, the cage, and the experience. The monkeys had terrifying experiences, not for the monkey which was just climbing, but also the rest of the other monkeys which were punished equally. So what did the monkeys do? Then next round, when the fresh monkey started to come in, even the water was not sprayed, it would hold on the other monkeys, because that would get punished, the monkey which is attempting to climb, but the rest of the other monkeys also will get sprayed equally. So this is how the new behavior had completely changed. A very important lesson from this will be, environment is stronger than will. Yes, environment is stronger than will. What does this mean? Environment is everything. The environment is the one which will actually help you grow or pull you down. Let me give you a couple of examples here. Let's talk about some environments here from our own lives which have become a very limiting factors for us Indians specifically. Now, you must have all heard this saying, "Padoge likhoge banoge nawab, kheloge kudoge banoge kharab." Or in Tamil, "Ni nalla padchana periya laidva, summa velladna time pass panana life wasted," isn't it? Or putting it very simple in English would be, if you study hard, read, write well, you'll become a very important and a rich person. But if you just continue to keep playing and start playing and fooling around, you will end up being bad or worse or something like that. Now this saying, "Padoge likhoge banoge nawab, kheloge kudoge banoge kharab." Now see the impact this particular sayings that had, this certain beliefs that had on us. India, we are 1.5 plus billion people. Now, Olympics. Every time an Olympic comes, we start to say that take a look, we're such a huge population, but we are not able to make it to the Olympics. Now connect these two together. When a child is being said that you study, and sports are not given that employment, how do you think actually our people will actually make it to Olympics? This is the kind of impact that this monkey, I must say, this monkey belief has got us into this. Take a look at some schools. In fact, some schools just have a PT master and nothing much. They hardly have even games period. Some schools even do not have functional sports kits. They don't have a proper playing ground. Study studies is the most important part. So what's happening now? If you take a look at it, a major study revealed that 8 out of 10 Indians, 8 out of 10 Indians are unhealthy. We are not healthy after a certain particular age. Everybody needs that kind of medical assistance. Why? We don't pay that attention on sports and games and physical exercises. It's all about studies. Now see the impact that we should have. And also, very important life skills that we miss out. Sports and games teach us very important life skills, like when we fall down we got to bounce back. Yes, in sports and games, someday you fail, someday you win, someday you win, someday you lose. It teaches you such an important lesson. But today, take a look what has happened. Since many children do not play any kind of sport or any kind of a game, the moment they hit their first major failure, they get less marks in 10, they get less marks in 12, they go into depression. As a coach, many parents come to me and say, my child is like really depressed, got less marks. And I say that this is very important. This has happened because our children are not playing games. Sports teaches us a lot of things. It teaches us decision making, problem solving, getting out of conflicts, resolution, several things that we can actually learn from sports. So it's very important that understand. And also, let's see how this belief, this one particular belief, this monkey belief that we have has costed us. Now, take a look at this. Sachin Tendulkar talk about Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, and all these things. Do you think anybody will go up to them and say, Sachin, PV Sindhu, what is your education qualification? Nobody really cares. They've achieved so much, isn't it? Will you ever go to A.R. Rahman? Would you ever go to Kamala Hassan, Rajnikant, or you will go to Lata Mangeshkar ji and you will ask her, how much have you studied? What is your education qualification? Yes, I understand, parents. I understand that studies are important, but studies are not just the only important thing. There are several other things that our children can be doing. Let me give you another example, a social example. You are a girl, tu ladki hai, ni aur ponnada. Now see how this has impacted us. Today, parents are really not, as parents, many of us are concerned about our girls. We don't let them do something that we say it's that man's world or boys' world. Boys can do this, they can do this. But let us see an example. Dr. Kiran Bedi, she led an all-male contingent parade during the 1975 Republic Day. Today, she, as we all know, that she is doing wonderfully well because she decided that I'm not going to follow the same monkey principles, that I am a girl and you are just a girl and nothing else. It doesn't matter whether a girl or a boy. Let's conclude this with a saying, environment is stronger than will. Yeah. So as parents, what we need to do is make sure our children have powerful, empowering environments. Second thing, have positive experiences and have a wonderful education. These three things would be like the three major fundamentals for our children. Let's not go away the way the monkey world works. Let's think. Let's be smart parents. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.